Hey everyone, this is Parker,
Hi.
the head programmer of Team My Pantherbots Bravo team, number 6219, and today he's going to teach y'all some beginner's tips for programming robots.
Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is install Robot C on your computer, and once you've put in your motor configuration, which you can add by going to Robot and Motors and Sensors Setup based on how you have your motors wire on your robot, you want to go ahead and type at the top before the task main #include in quotations joystick_driver.c, and then if you're going to be using this in a competition such as the FTC competition, you want to go ahead and add wait for start in order to ensure that your robot doesn't start before the time limit begins. And go ahead and set up a global variable called threshold by typing int space threshold, and go ahead and set that to something like 15. That'll basically eliminate any input from the joysticks that you don't really want, because joysticks do have a certain amount of input without even doing anything. So the next thing you want to do is in the while loop, go ahead and put get joystick settings, add that right there to your program, and then you're basically ready to start. So go ahead and open up your little caret thingy and do actually before you do that, do if and then joystick dot joy 1. So that's gonna be your first joystick if it's joy 1, and to figure out which way, like which joystick part you want to use, go to if you want to use the up or down controls, that's the Y part. If you want to use the side to side, that's X, and number 1 is the one on the left, and number 2 is the one on the right. So you want to go ahead and, if we want this to be going forward and backwards using the left stick, that'd be joystick.joy1_y1. So if joystick.joy1_y1 is greater than threshold, then you want to go ahead and open up your bracket then and say that motor, and in this case our motors are labeled motor D and motor E. Make sure you go ahead and put the semicolons at the end of your program. Go ahead and close out the bracket, and you should be done. So go ahead, make sure that compiles by going to compile program, and get out of save, and it should be good.
Alright guys, so those are the beginning steps to programming. Hope you enjoyed, and
See you later.
rock on.